Hi guys, my name is Michael and this is channel for all the PS Vita fans. Welcome! Today I'm taking a look at the new port release of Crashlands for PS Vita. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So the Crashlands has been ported to the Vita by Misery and it was developed by Butterscotch Shenanigans. It is a single-player action-adventure RPG played from an isometric perspective. The game is described as being a story-driven crafting game and it tasks player to collect resources in order to craft weapons, armors and basically everything else. This is my first encounter with the title and I have to admit I was pleasantly surprised by it. The game is also a part of the QN PS Vita homebrew contests where it competes against other capable contestants. In order to make Crashlands to run on your PS Vita, you'll need to get the game files from legally obtained or purchased game. The illegal copies are not supported. The game costs £11.39 on the Steam, so if you like the game, go and grab it. Then you need to apply the patch, install the VPK, transfer the patched files, and that's the whole process in the nutshell. By the way, you can find all the links for the QN and for the release page down below. Feel free to check it out. My copy of the game is not supported, so all the gameplay footage you see is captured from my PC where I was playing it at. £12 might not seem like a significant amount to spend on a game, but right now 12 quid for me is like a week worth of food, so I skipped this unique opportunity. But why are you making a video about it then? Well, mainly because I want to help you to decide whether or not the game is worth investing your time and money into. And what's the result? You're about to find out. I'm not able to judge how the port runs on the PS Vita, but I can tell you there are longer loading times, plus you can overclock the Vita for a smoother experience. I've been watching the new video from Too Old for Gaming channel, and he was running it without overclock and the performance was more than acceptable. So if you crave to see the real-world performance of the Crashlands port on the PS Vita, I recommend to check his video out as well. That's all regarding the port itself, and let's quickly look at the game itself. I'm sure you are aware that one can tell straight away from the first 10 minutes of the gameplay if one likes it or not. I have to admit I enjoyed my first 10 minutes with the game so much I didn't even notice, and I was playing it for half an hour already, which is not really common for me, therefore I conclude there is absolutely some potential in here. If you've been playing Dragon Quest Builders on your Vita, then you'll feel right at home. You'll be collecting the wood and the seaweed, you'll be constructing your first saw and sword, you'll be learning new recipes in order to be able to craft new gadgets. It's all in there. Combat is also pretty engaging and challenging. There is some reading to do and there is some story too, but I feel like there wasn't as much of it, so I wasn't distracted from my primary objective. Your mechanical companion is gonna teach you all the necessary procedures in order to progress further into the game, and he will be spending all his time with you, which reminds me a lot of Claptrap from Borderlands series. There is some humor involved too, and it will definitely put a smile on your face. So is the Crashlands on the Vita worth it? I believe if you can obtain the game legally and you haven't played it yet, then yeah, absolutely there is some nice time to have here. And if you already own the game, then there is absolutely no dilemma and you are obliged to install it on your Vita. It is always beneficial to have the option to play any intriguing game on your favorite handheld alongside its PC counterpart as well. And what about you guys? What do you think about the Crashlands? Does it look interesting? Are you gonna get it? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with other PS Vita enthusiasts. It means a lot to me and to the YouTube algorithm. In case you wanna see more videos like this one, I put some links in the right corner and in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Sub to the channel means you won't miss upcoming content, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.